So hey love, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi Chiemela. Alright, so you can call me Mela for short. Alright, so on today's video I will be talking about best skincare supplements to help you if you're going through acne, if you're going through hyperpigmentation or dark spots, or if you just want to brighten and even out your skin tone in a natural way. Stick around, this video is for you. Alright, okay. So once again, before I begin this video, before I dive right into everything I have to say for the video, please make sure you turn on your notification bell if you haven't, so you always stay notified anytime I put up content like this immediately, because I'm online 5 minutes after uploading the video. That is when you can ask me questions and then I'll get to reply. I'm not saying that if you leave any question that I will not respond, but if you want me to respond faster anytime I upload the video, please make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you will get notifications and ask questions and I'll reply faster. Okay, one more thing, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Yes, because you guys will see the like button. Click on the like button. It's going to help me know that you enjoy such content, and then at the same time it's going to make YouTube know that you love what you're saying and you want to see more of me on this channel. Okay, all right, so without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. To begin this video, I'm going to talk about vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, zinc, omega-3, glutathione, and collagen. Alright, so I'll start by talking about vitamin E. There are many vitamin E supplements out there from different companies. Just figure out the one that works for you and purchase and try it out. Vitamin E is just kind of like a regular. You can get it in skincare supply stores. That's the one you can add in your body lotions and body butters. You can also get them in the pharmacy, the one you can take orally. So vitamin E is something you can easily purchase. Alright, so what are the benefits of vitamin E? So vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant that help reduce UV damage, especially when it comes to sun exposure, that is ultraviolet rays. So vitamin E is something you have to consider if you're always under the sun and if you want your skin to be nourished and have, a well-balanced complexion. Alright, so the next supplement I'm going to talk about on this list is vitamin A. Alright, so what is the benefit of vitamin A? Vitamin A helps stimulate new skin cells and also stimulates the production of collagen in your body. So if you want to prevent your skin from aging faster, incorporate vitamin A into your diet by taking the supplement and you'll be just fine. Vitamin A is actually retinol. So some people use retinol as, over-the-counter medications in tube creams, and some use it as, some can find vitamin A in face creams and lotions, but otherwise you can also get a vitamin A supplement and that would help you do the job perfectly. So the next supplement I'm going to be talking about is vitamin C. What does vitamin C do for your skin? Vitamin C, for those of us that want to maintain our natural fairness, or that want to just make everything, look evened out, like I said initially, consider purchasing vitamin C. Alright, so what does vitamin C do? Vitamin C helps inhibit melanin production. It just makes the appearance of your dark spots fade out, and by doing that it brightens your skin tone. So in case you're looking for something that you can just pop in orally or take orally, vitamin C is fantastic and perfect for your skin. So make sure you consider purchasing vitamin C if you want to brighten, lighten, inhibit melanin production, and then at the same time it does the same thing vitamin E does. It protects your skin cells from sun damage. So you have an all-round benefit from taking vitamin C supplement, which is amazing for your skin. Alright, so the next supplement I'm going to talk about is zinc. Some studies claim that zinc may inhibit oil production in your skin, thereby reducing inflammation and stopping the production of acne, which is pimple. But one thing I know for sure, tested and tried out, is that zinc really does help with your pimples. Yeah, zinc and vitamin A is the perfect combo if you want to reduce pimples from occurring regularly on your face. I have tried it, trust me, it did. It's just something you have to keep doing. It's a consistent pattern. And you guys know, if you're on a skincare glow up journey or you're on a glow up journey in general, you need to stay consistent, and that is where I fall off sometimes. Consistency is just the problem. So if we can stay consistent by using the right skincare products, observing and monitoring how our skin reacts to them, and then at the same time taking out beneficial supplements that work for you, I think you'll be just fine. Everybody will be just fine. Okay, so in conclusion, zinc and vitamin A are perfect if you want to control breakouts and pimples. Try incorporating them with your acne or pimple skincare routine and you will see fantastic results, guaranteed. This is one supplement I have talked about twice here on my channel. That is glutathione. If you haven't watched any of the videos I talked about glutathione, please make sure you check them out. I'm going to leave a link down on the description box, as well as put a card up here somewhere so you can check the videos out if you haven't watched it. Alright, so glutathione in general improves and brightens your skin tone or complexion over time, and it also reduces oxidative stress. So you should consider purchasing glutathione supplement if you want something that will just clean it inside out. That is the essence of taking supplements, right? All right, so the last but not the least supplement you need to consider purchasing is collagen. A lot of people have said, oh, collagen this and that, but trust me, collagen really does work, but you need consistency. All these supplements need consistency. All right, consistency, basically, that is what you need. Collagen is good for keeping your skin hydrated. It also reduces wrinkles. It also keeps your skin from sagging. One of the fantastic reasons why I love collagen is that it repairs your skin tissues. So you really need something that would repair your skin if your skin is under a whole lot, especially if you maybe use the wrong products over time and you're not liking the results of your skin. So probably consider buying collagen or purchasing collagen supplements. Okay, yes, one more point or reason why you should purchase collagen. If you have a mom, someone who's elderly, and your mom is like, a subscriber of mine once commented, please, what do I get for my mom? I think I would recommend the collagen supplement for your mom. Yes, it's very good for older people, especially for wrinkles, preventing wrinkles and all those things. So make sure you purchase collagen for your mom, for elderly people, and it will just do a whole lot of, give you a whole lot of amazing benefits. And yes, for a young person, hello, you need collagen too to help you. Wow, I forgot to mention omega-3. Omega-3 is amazing. It's like one of the kings of supplements. I forgot to mention this, and it's easily accessible, just like the vitamin E supplement. You can get them in any pharmaceutical store you go into, so you can definitely get yourself an omega-3. All right, so for people that have dry skin, omega-3 is fantastic for dry skin. It hydrates the skin just as collagen does for your body. It also reduces the sign of aging. So amazing and fantastic. All right, so for today's video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up so you can be pushed to the next person who needs to see or know about supplements, or who has been looking for best supplements that are affordable, that you can easily purchase when you walk into any drugstore or pharmaceutical store. All right, okay, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to say it again, and please watch all the adverts YouTube placed on this video. If it's just 2 ads you watch, that is fantastic. I'm encouraging all my subscribers out there, if you know you're my fan and if you know you love this channel, please watch at least 1 or 2 of the adverts. Do not skip the adverts. Please don't skip the ads. Please do not skip the ads. If you want to support this channel, please watch the ads. I can seriously begging you, watch the ads on any of my videos you click onto. Okay, all right, I love you, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page. It's a community that I'm still growing. We are still growing. And then I'm on Instagram. Please make sure you follow your girl out. And don't forget once again to share this video, to comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to spread love. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget that skincare is a journey and life is a journey also. You don't need to break down, but you need to break through. Okay, all right, bye.